We have already seen how to solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method, substitution method and cross multiplication method. In this video, we will see how to solve the pair of linear equation by graphical method. So the first question goes like this: form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution graphically. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. Number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. Find number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So we'll write, let number of girls be x and number of boys in that class be y. So first, as usual, we fix the variables. Now 10 students of class 10, that means total number of students in the class, number of boys plus number of girls is 10. So that is our first equation, x plus y equal to 10. If number of girls, that means girls is 4 more than means you put plus symbol, number of boys 4 plus y, then we need to find number of boys and number of girls. So this we need to solve by first equation is already in the standard form, x plus y equal to 10. Second equation I can write x minus y equal to 4. Now we take the first equation. We need to find out, we will assign value for x and we will find out value for y. So first equation is x plus y equal to 10. So if I am giving the value 4, what will be the 4 for x? What will be the value for y? 4 plus y equal to 10. So y will be equal to 10 minus 4, which is equal to 6. Now if I am giving the value 5 for x, what will be the value for y? Again y equal to 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5. So in general we can write this equation as y equal to 10 minus x. Now the values for x you can assign and you can find out value for y. If I am giving the value 4 for x, so already we have given the value 4. Now if I am giving the value 6, then what will be the value for y? 10 minus 6 is 4. Same way, if I am giving 7, 10 minus 7 is 3. If I am giving 8, 10 minus 8 is 2. So this is the first table. Now we will take the second equation. Second equation is x minus y equal to 4. So x and y, x minus y equal to 4. Or I can write x minus 4 equal to y. So I am giving the values for x. If I am giving 8 for x, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. If I am giving 7, 7 minus 4 is 3. If I am giving 6, 6 minus 4 is 2. If I am giving 5, 5 minus 4 is 1. Now let us plot these points in the graph paper. So this is the table for the first equation, x plus y equal to 10, and this is the table for the second equation, x minus y equal to 4. Now we will plot the points. When x is at 4, y is at 6, so the point will come here. When x is 5, y will be also at 5. When x is 6, y is at 4. When x is 7, value of y is 3. And when x is 8, value of y is 2. Now next we will plot the next point graph, that is when x is 8, y is at 4. So it will come here. Again when it is at 7, it will be 3. So here only. Then when x is 6, y is 2. And when x is 5, y is 1. Now we will join these points so that we will get two lines. So when these points are joined, we got two lines, and these two lines intersect at this point, and this point is 7, 3. That means value of x is 7 and value of y is 3. If you substitute in both of the equation, you can see that is correct. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 minus 3 is 4. So this is how you are solving the pair of linear equation by graphical method. Question is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen. So let the cost of one pencil be X rupees and that of one pen be Y rupees. So we'll frame the equation. 5 pencils means 5X, 7 pen means 7Y. Total cost is rupees 50. Next equation, 7 pencil means 7X. Cost of one pencil is X, so cost of 7 pencil will be 7X and cost of 5 pen will be 5Y equal to 46. Now we need to solve this equation by graphical method. So for that we need to prepare the table. We can assign values for X and Y. We will take the first equation, 5X plus 7Y equal to 50, or 7Y equal to 50 minus 5X, or we can say Y equal to 50 minus 5X divided by 7. Now if I am giving X 0, what will be the value of Y? 50 minus 5 into 0 is 0. So 50 by 7, which is equal to 7.1. So when X is 0, Y will be 7.1. Then X is 1, what will be the value of Y? When X is 1, value of Y will be 50 minus 5 by 7, that is 45 by 7, which is equal to 6.4. So it is 6.4. Same way, when X is 2, what will be the value of Y? 50 minus 10 divided by 7, that is 50 minus 5 2s are 10. So 40 by 7, which is equal to 5.7. And when X is 3, what will be the value of Y? Y equal to 50 minus 15 by 7. So we can say 50 minus 15 is 35 by 7, which is equal to 5. In the same way, we can find the value for the next equation also. So the next equation we can write as 5Y equal to 46 minus 7X, or Y equal to 46 minus 7X divided by 5. So when X is 0, what will be the value of Y? 46 divided by 5, which is equal to 9.2. When X is 1, that is 46 minus 7 divided by 5, we have 39 divided by 5, which is equal to 7.4. When X is 2, we have 46 minus 14 divided by 5, which is equal to 32 divided by 5. So when X is 2, 32 divided by 5 is 6.4. Same way, when X is 3, what will be the value of Y? 46 minus 7 3s are 21 divided by 5, which is equal to 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now we will draw the graph for these values. Now we will plot this point. 0 it is 7.1, somewhere here it will come. 1 6.4, so 6.4. 2 it is 5.7, so 5.7, and 3 it is 5. Same way we will mark the next graph also. 0 9.2, then 1 it is 7.8, 2 it is 6.4, and 3 it is 5. Now we will join these points and let's find out the intersecting points. Now when you join the points, this will get intersect at the point 3 5. That means the value of X is 3 and value of Y is 5. So the cost of one pencil is 3 rupees and cost of one pen is rupees 5. So this is how you are solving the pair of linear equation by graphical method. Thank you for watching the video.